up everyone? Welcome to Goa. We're in a very quiet place called Velsao Beach. Right now we're just in the place we're staying called Rosh Villa. So it's a pretty spacious place. No AC, just the fan, but it actually gets really cool at night, so don't need the AC. This was all $10, so extremely cheap. And check this out for a nice view on the balcony. So you can see here, this is exactly what I'd expect from Goa. The coconut trees, just beautiful nature. So we're in front of our villa now. This is the villa we're staying at, right behind these palm trees, coconut trees. And then as you can see, the area that we're in isn't really developed at all. Yeah, it just looks amazing. Tropical. Cool little house here as well. Nice place, right, Carol? Yeah. Okay. Hello. So check this out here, we have an old abandoned Portuguese house here, completely covered in trees and plants. Pretty crazy. So Goa was actually under Portuguese rule for 450 years. So a lot of the culture here and also buildings, architecture and stuff is Portuguese. There's a few Portuguese looking buildings around here. And we also got this cool train track, check this. It's an active one, we saw a train pass by yesterday. Yeah, it's really cool. Hello. We got another abandoned looking place here. So you can see the name of this one is Portuguese Villa Eliseu. Eliseu is a Portuguese name. So yeah, look at that building. Definitely not Indian looking, that's for sure. Check that out for a cool entrance. Yeah, this just looks amazing. Look how beautiful this place is. This is our kind of place, right, Carol?
Yeah.
Nature and beaches.
Yeah, relaxed. Just like we always prefer this kind of places, right?
Yeah, than busy cities.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So this is the beach, right near where we're staying, Velsao Beach. Kind of windy right now, but I'm liking that because it's so hot here. And as you can see, it's completely empty. I think I can see one guy walking over there, and then a few more people on the other side, like 2 or 3 people. But yeah, for the most part, nobody here at all. The ocean is quite strong here, and that is the Arabian Ocean. I've never been in the Arabian Ocean before. Let's see how the temperature is. Alright, seems like it's nice and warm, the ocean. Not bad at all. I'll probably get in there a bit later. Doesn't seem to be too dangerous. If you watched the previous video in Mumbai, I said we wanted to come here to beat the crowds and get away from the busy cities. And yeah, I think we definitely chose the perfect spot to start in Goa. because yeah, there's just nobody here at all. Is it quieter than you expected?
Yeah. There's nobody here, right?
Yeah, nobody at all. Look behind you, just completely empty all the way down. We knew we was choosing a peaceful part, but we didn't realize it would be this peaceful, right? Yeah. So check this out, we got a fishing boat here, and once again it has a Portuguese name. So that's Portuguese right there, Maria Joaquina Rodrigues. This area here is like a little fishing village, and it's either English names or Portuguese names of the boats. Found a chill spot, a bit of shade within these cool trees. I don't think I've ever seen these kind of trees or plants before. Check that out. That looks awesome. You can see you got the fruit there, bizarre looking fruit. And here's our little spot. Good spot, right? Carol's got her seat here with the ocean view. Yeah, so check this out. I'm not even sure if that's a fruit. What the hell? It's like an alien brain fruit. I don't think you can eat that though, I'm not sure. Anyone know what that is? Now going ahead and try and find some fishermen that we met yesterday. He approached us when we were at the beach and asked if we could make fish for us, but we had already eaten, so he asked if it could be today, probably some fresh fish, so we said yeah, why not. It's not a restaurant or anything. He said he just set up an area near the beach for us and yeah, provide us food. I'm not even sure what to expect, don't even know how much it's going to be, but it should be cool. I think it's going to be right on the beach just over here. So we just need to find him now. Hello. How you doing? That our spot over there? Yeah. Okay, cool. So unfortunately that ended up being a bit of a mess. It turns out the guy cooked prawns, but I can't eat prawns. I've got an allergy, and also pig meat, but me and Carol don't eat meat. Carol can eat prawns though, so yeah, we told the guy to still serve us prawns. Carol will eat it just out of respect, since the guy's just been cooking it all for us. I can't eat it though, but he has rice as well, so yeah, I'll just have to eat that. Yesterday he did say fish though, but I'm not sure if fish for him also means prawns. For us, fish is different to prawns. Prawns like a shellfish, right? So yeah, a bit of confusion, but it was at least nice for him just to cook for us either way, and yeah, the food should be arriving soon. Alright, so here's the food. So there are the prawns that Carol's gonna eat. We got some curry sauce here, and we got this rice here. Not sure what's in it. Seems like there's chicken, so I'll have to try and avoid that, but it smells pretty good. And this is our view, our restaurant. Coconut tree heaven. Pretty cool restaurant. And down here we got Mr. Puppy. This is the guy's dog, I think. Hello. Where's the cat? He's got a cat as well. How are the prawns?
Yeah, very tasty. Better than I expected.
So you said you've never really eaten prawns that much?
No, because in Brazil it's not common. We have shrimp, the small one.
And lobster, right?
And lobster. And shrimp, I think there's it has a different taste. this is better, I think.
Oh, so you thought it was gonna taste similar to shrimp?
Yeah, but it's different.
It's nice. Yeah, the rice is actually tasty as well, since that's all I can eat, so I'm just eating loads of this rice here, almost finished. Where's the hungry cat? What's up, cat? So we decided to go on some more walks around the village to see what we can find. Been finding some really interesting buildings here. Really didn't expect this at all. So look at this building in front of us right now. Looks completely European but colourful. Got another one over there. So you can see the sign there. It says in Portuguese, Casa dos Fidalgos, the house of the Fidalgos, 1860. So by the looks of it, they must have been an important rich family. They have a house like that. Here we have another one, nice orange building. So here we have a church, Our Lady of Assumption. Definitely a Portuguese looking church. You can hear the music going on there. Many people in there right now. This doesn't feel like we're in India right now at all, right? This is crazy. So a lot of people did comment saying that the south of India is basically just like another country, and they were definitely right. This is really surprising me just how different it is. It's like there's nothing in common at all from all the places we visited in the north so far. And I didn't realize the Portuguese influence would be so strong. I thought it would just be some certain areas that would have Portuguese style buildings, but so far it's pretty much everywhere in this village. Back at the beach again, just in time for sunset. Carol's taking a selfie. Really low tide now. Didn't expect that. It's gone pretty far out. And there's actually more people here at this time. I guess because it's a lot cooler. The Indians come out and go for a walk. And in case some of you are wondering why I haven't flown with the drone, it's because the airport is right here, 15 minutes away. It's another reason we came to Velsao, because we arrived at 3 AM in the morning. So we didn't want to go on a mission to North or South Goa, and yeah, I'm glad we chose this place. So yeah, if you want to come here, it's very convenient because it's so close to the airport in Vasco da Gama, which is over there. Doggo. So we're going to be heading out now. We definitely got what we wanted from Goa, which was some peace and relaxation. definitely a happy day and an awesome place. So thanks for watching, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one.